Same day, different motherfucking project. Guess what? We got an Acuity short shifter. Right now, Julio's taking off the boot and all that, and the shift knob and all that shit. And right here, we have. Let me go in the back and grab it real quick. Hell yeah. We got this Acuity short shifter, and since we already did the transmission, might as well do this as well. My shifter cables are supposed to be coming in Saturday, so we might do those maybe another time, like probably like in a week, 2 weeks from now or something. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and knock out this shifter. I'm gonna just show you this in the light a little bit more. It looks amazing, clean, simple. I love it. So apparently on the 9th Gen SI page, this is probably like one of like the best things that you can do to your car. Reason being is because shifter on this car kind of sucks, and it's that big ass plastic thing right there. Bam. So shouldn't take that long. So plastic cover's coming off right here. 2 screws in there that you can barely even see. There. Yeah, there's 2 right here. And damn, dude, that thing is massive. I put the thing in the back, so we're good. There was only 1 clip over here. Is there one at the back? No. Should I just come off? There it goes. It needs to be unclipped from over there. Yep. Alright. Let's get this motherfucker out. Bruh. There's that one. There it goes. Let me grab those. The plastic ones? Yeah, the blue ones? I got you. Oh, you got it? Damn.
So that's 5 black screws.
So it's 5 black screws.
And let's see, is there anything connecting down here?
I think so. Doesn't it have the USB connector? Bruh.
Well, we can't close it anymore.
Huh? It's not even connected. The fuck?
Oh, it is connected. Let me see this.
Oh, that long ass line. Damn, bro. You're making shit complicated. Alright.
I need a 14.
Uh-huh. Well, as I was watching an adjustability video, Julio already took that shit out. That dude moves way too fucking fast for me, so whatever. So here's the old one compared to the new one. This thing has like, apparently has 4 ways that you can adjust it. Here's 1, 2, 3 right here on the side, and also up here on top. So we're gonna definitely figure out what's gonna be the best way for the way I drive, so we'll figure it out. Hell yeah, bro. Oh, damn, dude, no. You got it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
But the drill don't got it though.
Hand tight on that one. Bro, those kids are live. Tell him again que no quema. Ese no quema! Damn, bro. Damn. Bro, you playing with my knife?
Dude, I think this is too close to you mischief.
Really?
Yeah, try it.
Let's see. Oh my god. I'm gonna be going in fourth all day. Damn, dude, that's a huge difference. Yeah, I think that should be good.
Sure.
Well, it's not going into first or something.
It's first, bro.
I'm gonna have to get used to that. That looks fucking nasty though.
The thing is, when you go to first,
Yeah.
like first to, you still gotta make sure everything's tight. When you go
Yeah.
to first to, or second to third, like it's like,
It's a very minimal throw, huh? Damn, that's crazy. We gotta give it the ultimate test though. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. That's not the ultimate test. Oh, see, Daddy! You're so fucking done with me. Right now we are messing with the adjustability. If you want a shorter throw, you obviously extend it all the way to the bottom, and then over here on this side, this can go up and down as well, and that is for how short you want it to go into gear. So obviously the throw, you know. Oh shit.
you want it up here.
Nah, bro, that looks
I
fucking.
mean, we could adjust this once. Another thing you can adjust is this, like.
Just to make it as comfortable as you want.
Here, look, I'll leave it at 3 for now. Then you can. Well, it puts the
shifter
away, like away from me. I guess
That's super solid, dude.
we can adjust this, the height, and this.
Gotcha.
Like once we have everything on.
Okay.
But you're good with the throw and everything.
Yeah, the throw and everything is like fucking mint.
Tighten everything.
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna button up everything from the bottom, and then we'll take it out for a drive, and then obviously adjust the top because we still gotta get the sweet spot.
This dude forgot to plug his battery back on.
Shut the fuck up. Don't even say shit. Damn, hell yeah. Let's fucking get it.
You put that back there?
Mm-hmm, because the car's moving back. The face that you were giving me fucking says it all, dude. Well, at least we know it works.
No, hit my car.
No, you're good, bro. Sure, I'll go over the grass.
You gotta cut it, man. There goes your bumper.
Damn, dude. Huge fucking difference. What the fuck? That's fucking crazy. So I still haven't heard my exhaust from the outside. And it sounds so fucking good, dude. Oh, that puts a big smile on my face. Dude, that sounds so fucking nasty. Okay, cool. It sounds just like my RSX, man. That brings it back so much, man. So many memories. Okay, cool. I love it. I love it. Dude, that sounds exactly like my RSX. It's crazy. It's real low, huh? The engagement? Ya somos dos. How you like it? Yeah, pretty good, pretty solid? Hell yeah. Well guys, that's gonna be it for us. Long day. We've been at it since like 8 o'clock in the morning. We installed the clutch, took out the transmission, axles, all that shit, and then we went ahead and installed our short shifter. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. And we'll see you later.